Welcome students. Welcome you all back in my the welcome back welcome back to all of you in my YouTube channel. Here I am discussing the various topics of Standard 9 to solve the problems of your syllabus. Today date is 16th of April and in this day I am going to discuss about various input and output devices usage in computer system that we are using in the computer system. We need to know what are they and what are their names and what are their functions. Today, as you can see on the board, I have written the name of 12 input devices. The first one is keyboard, the second one is mouse, the third one is joystick, fourth is light pen, fifth is trackball, sixth is scanner, seventh is digitalizer or you can say graphics tablet, or next is microphone, then magnetic ink card reader or character reader you can say, optical character reader, barcode reader, and the 12th one is optical mark reader. Students, these are the input devices that we use in the computer system to perform the various functions. First of all, I am going to discuss about the most common input device named keyboard. Keyboard, as you know very well, it is an input device through which the user entered the data and information into the computer. Actually, keyboard is a collection of various keys, various types of keys. Just you can say that keyboard contain number one, alphabet key, keyboard contain numerical key, keyboard key contain cursor or movement key, arrow key, cursor movement key, cursor movement key, D, function key. In a keyboard there are 12 function key from F1 to F12. Some keys are a special purpose key, a special purpose key. In the special purpose key, just as print screen, caps lock, tabs key, delete key, home key, print screen key, all these keys are in this category. Alphabet, you know very well, alphabet, numerical key from 0 to 9, cursor movement key, all the arrow keys, and the function key from F1 to F12. They have a specific function in the different programs. The most common specific function of the function key in which the F1 is used to get the help from the computer. A special purpose key you can see enter key, backspace key, delete key. These are the special purpose key. Then after control key, shift key, alt key, these are the number of keys if you count or combine all of them, it can be 100 or 102, sometime 108. Actually, the number of keys on the keyboard is depend upon the types of keys. In the normal cases, there are different types of keyboard present in the market. Normal keyboard that contain 101 to 102 keyboards, and some are multimedia keyboards are also available in the market. That keyboards contain a number of keys more than 108, 120 it may possibly. Actually, it's depend upon the types of keyboard that you are purchasing for the purpose. Okay, I think students you can understand what is the keyboard and what are the different types of keys used in cursor movement key. You use, there are 4 arrow keys are used to move upwards, downwards, left and right. The next key input device is mouse. Actually, mouse is a very common or popular pointing device that we hold on our palm and control the movement of the cursor on the screen. Control the movement of the cursor on the screen. That help us to point out the things also. Point out the things also what is there is. It is also used to select or deselect the items. It is also used to draw the things on the screen. For suppose you are working in MS Paint, you want to draw something by the help of keyboard. By the help of mouse, you can draw the things. Next is joystick. It is a special type of key which are attached by the user according to their requirement. If they want to play a computer game, a special type of device is used to play the games. That means in what it do actually is control the movement of the cursor in the various games. In the movement of the cursor, movement in actually we cannot call this cursor. It controls the movement of the things in the game. Okay, if you are not using the mouse or not using the keyboard, it may affect the normal functioning of normal procedure of the computer system. But if you are not attaching the joystick, the particular function is disturbed, otherwise the computer will perform smoothly. Light pen is also an optional device which is used. It is like a pen. It has a pointing. It has a photosensitive photosensitive point at the tip, and whenever the sensitive board is to be clicked by the user and they start drawing or writing on something. Actually, it is this kind of pen is mostly used by the engineers to draw something on the screen. That screen is also a photosensitive screen. Photosensitive means light sensitive screen that has been used by the engineers and various types of work. It is also not very. It also do not affect the normal functioning of the computer. It is used in the computer system as per the requirement. Trackball is a type of pointing device. Trackball is a type of pointing device in place of mouse. In place of mouse, in the laptops or laptop-like devices, we use a trackball. A trackball is a device which is used to move the pointer on the screen. The function of the trackball is same as the function of mouse that is used in the laptop. A scanner is a special type of device. Whenever you want to directly fit the information into the computer, you have to use the scanner. For example, you have a photo or you have some documents. You want to keep this document copy as a digital copy of that document into the computer. So you need a special type of device that is called a scanner. It looks like a photosensitive photocopy devices. When you keep the document and give the instruction to copy or scan the document, and it will scan the document and is store the digital copy of your file into the system. The next is graphical tablet or digitalizer. Actually, it is also a kind of device which is used by the user according to their wish, according to their use. Actually, a tablet is a special type of device that contain a pen-like device. When that pen is used to draw or write something on the screen. Actually, some mobile companies also launching a special type of stick that is used to draw on the screen or write on the screen. That is called that type of device is called digital graphics, digitalizer or graphics. Microphone is the next type of input device. Whenever you want to store some your voice into the computer system, then that time you need a special type of device that is called microphone. Without microphone, you cannot enter your voice inside the computer. Various music companies and various music composers, singers uses this kind of device. And nowadays, it is very common in the video conferencing. When you want to do a video conferencing, you need a mic also. Many YouTubers also uses these microphones to create their YouTube videos. So it is simply, you can say that is a input device which is used to input the voice into the computer system. So students, this is the sufficient for today. The next more devices we will discuss in the next class. Thank you very much.